Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So this is the afternoon time in my area. That's why I thought I will visit my area. That's why overall I came in my place. I came in my outside of my place and I'm enjoying the natural beauty. So viewers, do you like natural beauty? If you like the natural beauty, how much do you like? And do you have the opportunity to visit your area where do you live? So if you have the opportunity to visit your area, I will say it's very wonderful because we are villagers and we have this opportunity. We have this kind of opportunity to visit village. Actually, what I will say that hometown is wonderful. Hometown is great because I can get the fresh air, and when especially afternoon time, I can visit my whole area. When I visit the whole area, I feel relaxed, and it's very important for me to listen English. And you don't have time, you don't get the free time when you will listen English, you are getting this problem all the time, right? So if you have this kind of problem, I will say you so select your time in the afternoon time if you have the free time. But if you don't have the free time, so select another time to listen English. But actually I will say that it will be most important for you. It will be most wonderful time for you if you listen English in the afternoon time in your area. So go outside and listen English. So I do that all time, and you are watching right now. I'm in the natural beauty, I'm in my hometown, and I'm trying to listen in English. So that's why I have taken my headphone, and I will show you directly. I have taken my headphone and I will put it on my ear and I will listen English, and it will be very high time for you to listen English. So I have a request for you. If you have the wish, if you have the burning desire to speak English, to learn English, is you have to listen English at least 3 hours per day, because I told you this kind of things all time. But this is true, this is true, it's a true. And I told you, learn with your ears, not with your eyes. So try to listen with your ears all the time, and you have to listen English more and more if you speak English fluently, so you can enjoy the natural beauty. And after going to the natural beauty, overall you can make a video, you can record yourself what do you listen, and you can tell about yourself, you can tell any topic, you can select a topic, and with the topic you can talk easily. And if you don't talk easily, so try to say at least 1 minute or 30 second, 40 second, and 60 second. It will be most important for you to speak English fluently, to learn English fluently. So listening is the most important if you want to speak English fluently. So you can practice as well in the outside, because with whom you'll practice English, that is another thing. But what I do when I go outside, I practice with the ears, I practice with tree, I practice with sky, I practice with land, like that kind of land. And all time I follow that, because you have to be crazy at the first time, because I know it very well. You don't have the opportunity, you don't have the partner with whom you'll speak English, you don't have that kind of friend with whom you will share your English. But you are listening, you are learning, but with whom you'll share. So that is the main problem for you, for every person. And especially I felt that it was happened in my life. So in my life experience, I tell that it's very hard to speak English fluently from the blaze. But if you have the burning desire, if you have that kind of mentality, you can do that, because burning desire can do everything. So I have a request for you. If you have the burning desire, so don't sit down right now, stand up and listen English and practice English and say every day. So overall I will say something. If you are the new subscriber, new viewers on my YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the like button, because all time I upload this kind of amazing video in my YouTube channel, and I will help you to speak English, I will help you to learn English. And help me, inspire me, comment in comment box, and if you help me, I will help you.